So we wanted to tell you what our channel is going to be about. I'm a woodworker, and over the past few years I've been focused on designing, building, finishing, and furnishing an addition we built on our house. With that project now mostly done, we're kind of excited about the idea of building a timber frame home for Leisha.
So this summer, in order to prepare for that, we took a 9-day timber framing course. In that course, we built a wood-framed sauna.
We brought the frame home with us, and we planned to document the entire process of building this timber frame sauna. We actually got that idea because during the course, there were 2 guys who filmed the whole thing and posted a series of videos to YouTube, and of course I'll include a link to their videos in the information card here.
I'm funny. Looked up when you said the link part. I'm funny. Then once we finish the sauna, we'll document the process of building my home.
And maybe a few woodworking projects in the shop along the way, as well as doing a little improvements to the shop itself.
We're excited about this and we hope you follow along.
So if that sounds interesting, please hit the subscribe button. And along the way, if you have ideas of topics you'd like to see us cover, leave a comment in the comments section.